Hey guys, this is Chris from Versiplug. I'm going to show you how I finish up the installation on the Footwell Drains. It's Florida hot up here in Jersey, and nobody wants a greenhouse when they open their cover. So you get a little dirt because the water will sit there for a little bit, before it actually drains out. But you'll come out and not have moss or anything growing there. But I'll show you how everything gets plumbed and tied up. It's pretty simple install. Really, this is the hardest part, thinking about this, but as long as you can look at where I put it and understand what I'm saying when I'll show you on the inside that you need to stay clear of the bottom if there's a second hull beneath the top deck. So see how there's another piece here for the hull? You need to be able to come straight out with this nipple on an angle, enough to clear this elbow and all that. Hit the body underneath. So I like going about right between the mats on an angle. We're here. What did I count? I went 10 back. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 back. On the angle. Drain. Take the other section of the hose, put your fitting on, hose on, fitting on. You don't want that fitting all the way in yet. You want it sticking one before the last. So there's 3 barbs. You want it right about there. Through. You gotta pull it through. Once you pull it through, you leave it there, then push the fitting all the way in and then lock it in place. Like that. And feed the hose in. If you have a helper, it makes it a little easier. So bring the hose up as straight as you can. If you're doing it by yourself, just bring the hose up as far as you can. It'll spin. The hose may spin on its own. You may have to come up here and unwind it. Just tighten by hand, as tight as you can. If you want, put a wrench on it, just go just a little bit. I wouldn't go more than 1 flat. I wouldn't go more than that much of a turn from there to there. It's just into plastic threads. It holds very well. The O-ring actually holds it. The hex, I put the hex on there a few years ago because people were having trouble getting them out. They leave them in so long that the O-ring just sticks, and then you can't get them out by hand. They just had a knurl on them. So people would have to put pliers on them and scratch it. So now you can put a wrench, 15/16 or a socket, and take it out, or adjustable, whatever you have. So that's in. So 3 hose clamps there, or the zip ties there. Let it come up. Zip ties there. That one goes down. We zip tie it right there. Just make sure it's not touching the exhaust. This is a VX. This is a small motor.